is Poonam. Welcome to Bosworth Community Center Healthy Budget Meal Kitchen. We are going to share a very amazing recipe. I'll show you. This is called Lotus Seed of Foxnut. Excellent for your mind and body. You can eat all the day without having any unnecessary fat in your body. It is very tasty too.
Not many of us would have known that foxnuts or makhana are a part of lotus flower. The flower that known for its beauty has a lot of offer, including lotus seeds or makhana. Harvesting makhana is a laborious method and requires skilled labor. Farmers take a dip in the water, diverging into different directions along with the long poles. They drag the seeds with the help of their palms and gather them. Collected seeds are washed and cleaned. As soon as makhana dry, they require frying or else they tend to get spoiled easily. Then seeds are manually cleaned until the white puff pops out of the black colored seeds, and we are ready to use this in the kitchen.
This is the art of eating and staying fit and healthy. So today I'm going to introduce a very new and unique ingredients. You can eat all the day, all the time, morning, afternoon, evening, night, whenever you want, without gaining a single % of fat in your body. It will make you healthy and strong.
Okay, sir, we are ready to make a makhana snack in the kitchen. Taking a nice big wok pan, putting on the gas stove and start having deep cleansing breath. We are doing Anulom Vilom Pranayama today. So breathing in through one nostril and breathing out through other. Carry on having 8 to 10 breaths until your pan gets hot. Enjoy your breath. Deep cleansing breath in and breathing out. Beautiful. And your pan is hot. Use any oil. I'm using olive oil today. Approximate 2 tablespoons of olive oil and use makhana. It depends on the size of pan. Otherwise this is very lightweight, so you can put extra if it fits in the pan. Roast it for 8 to 10 minutes. It's just approximate time, or for your convenience until it gets hard on the surface or crunchy. Switch off the flame. I think it's done now. You can tell by the sound too. Now adding 1 teaspoon fat-free butter. So when butter will get melted, put some salt and black pepper. With the help of melted butter, it will make a coat on the top of makhana. You can add more spices if you want. It's up to you. Even you can turn this makhana into a sweet snacks, adding some butter and honey. It's completely your imagination. Customize your snack or meal according to your own taste.
It's hot pan. When you take a makhana in your hand, you won't feel hot. Can you hear the sound? That tells you that this is ready. I need a bit more salt. I know eating salt is not too healthy, but sometimes you just focus on the taste. Especially in the winter, especially in lockdown, especially in COVID-19. Why not introduce makhana to you if you are not aware? If you already know, that's alright. If you cannot get in supermarket, you can go to any Indian grocery shop and you will get a packet of makhana. It's very reasonable price. I seen makhana growing in the pond in my childhood. I seen people jumping in the pond, collecting all the lotus plants. And after getting dry, everything was black. I think if you'll see, this is not fried, so this is not burned. I think this is the top layer of makhana, which I think they take it out and throw it, and this is for us to eat. This is not cooked one. Cooked one is there.
8 to 10 minutes, our healthy budget snack is ready. You can make in big lot and put in the jar. Now I'm ready with nice and tasty snack bowl combining with lovely, beautiful fragrance of green honey tea.
Perfect snack, perfect drink. We are human beings. When we are at home, our mind is always in the kitchen. Mind is very clever. Mind will always tell your body, come on, get up. Let's go to the kitchen, find something to eat. Try not to store junk food in your kitchen. Have some healthy snacks like this. Roast it, mix all your favorite spices and put in airtight container. Next time when mind will tell your body, let's go to kitchen, you will have something very healthy which is fulfilling for your mind, fulfilling for your body. In my language, this is yogic snack. Now I'm going to talk about all the benefits because this is so low in fat. It has got no fat in fact, unlike all other nuts. So it is very good for your heart. It is good for weight loss. It helps you to reduce unnecessary fat as well in your body. It is low in sodium, so it is good for your blood pressure as well. It maintains your blood pressure of body. It is so lightweight. So think about 1 kilo of makhana, that much. 1 kilo of makhana contains 300 to 350 calories. That means if you are having a bowl of makhana, it is less than 10 calories. So how beneficial it is? It is good for your skin. It is good for aging process. It is good for the diabetes as well. So it helps you to not to develop diabetes in your body. And you can say it is very good source of protein too. Good for your kidney. Just forget everything. This is a food or this is a snack for your mind and body. So big bowl of makhana or you can have a small bowl. Still it is so fulfilling. Some of us having a habit never stop. Like me, you must have seen while I'm cooking, I kept on eating. Cannot control. So people like me, makhana is best. People even like you who is having so much control over your mouth. Good for you as well. So bowl of makhana, it is so fulfilling. Even you want to skip your lunch because you had everything. Your body had everything. Another important thing I wanted to mention, you don't have to use wok or frying pan from khana. You can roast in oven as well. So heat up the oven for 5 to 10 minutes. When your oven is hot, put the makhana in oven tray and switch off the oven. Leave it for 15 to 20 minutes. And when you take out, add all the spices including butter. If you don't want butter, use some olive oil. So that's perfect.